Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, how are you and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to crochet this beautiful traveling tote bag. The material I use are this jute thread and a crochet hook 7.5, number 7.5 I mean, a stitch marker, tapestry needle, and a pair of scissors. To start, firstly make a slip knot, then make 32 chains plus 1. These are the 32 chains. Now I'm going to make another one, so the amount of the chains are 33. After that, we'll make one single crochet in each of the chain stitches, so the amount of these single crochets are 32. These are the two last chain stitches. The next one is the last chain stitch. I have completed the first row of single crochet to be the bottom part of this tote bag. Let me show you. Okay, after this, make chain 1 and turn the work. I'm gonna make the second row of single crochet. Start from the first stitch next to the chain 1. Make one single crochet in each of the stitches, so the amount of the stitch of the second round are also 32. The bottom part of this tote bag is made of 11 rows of reversible single crochet. Then you will have 12 side stitches. This is the last row of reversible single crochet, and this one is the last stitch. This is the bottom part of this tote bag. It's so strong and so suitable for this project. Before I continue in the work, I'll put a stitch mark on the last single crochet. Then I will show you 12 side stitches that need to be filled with one single crochet, and also there are 4 corner stitches that need to be filled with 2 single crochets. This is the side stitch 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. There are also 4 corner stitches on this bottom part. This is the first one, the second one, the third one, and this is the last corner stitch. Each corner stitch is filled with 2 single crochets. Now I will continue the work. I will make one single crochet in each of the side stitches. Start from this first stitch. Make one single crochet, one single crochet in the next one stitch, one single crochet in the next one stitch, one single crochet in this one last stitch, and 2 single crochet in this first corner stitch. Then back to one single crochet in the next one stitch. Make one single crochet in each of the next stitches until you reach the second corner stitch. This is the second corner stitch. Make 2 single crochets in it. one single crochet in each of the next stitches until you reach the third corner stitch. The next one is the third corner stitch. Make 2 single crochets on it. This is the first single crochet. Make another one in the same stitch. Okay, then one single crochet in each of the next stitches. This next one is the fourth corner stitch. 2 single crochets in it. Okay, done. I'd like to tell you that I really put my best efforts on working with this project because it's not easy to crochet the two threads. Well, before I continue the work, put a stitch marker on the last single crochet. Then I will make one round of single crochet. I will fill each stitch with one single crochet, so the total amount of the single crochets of this round are 88. Make one single crochet in each of the stitches to complete this round. These are the 3 last single crochets. The next one is the last single crochet. Take off the stitch marker and make one single crochet in it. Okay, done. After this, I will make back loop single crochets parallelly as much as 4 rounds. So I will fill each of the stitches with one back loop single crochet. This is the last part of the back loop single crochets. There is no slip stitch in this round. Instead, I'll directly make the next rounds parallel. Just like before, I will fill each of the stitches with one back loop single crochet. This is the fourth round and it's approaching the beginning point. Okay, the next one stitch is the last back loop single crochet. I make one last back loop single crochet on this stitch, then I will start the main pattern in the next one stitch. I will start the main pattern exactly above the beginning point. I'll make one single crochet in the next one stitch and 2 chains. Actually, this single crochet on the first chain represents 1/2 double crochet. Then, skip one stitch and go to the next stitch to make one normal half double crochet. This pattern is the multiple of 2. The main pattern is made of 1/2 double crochet and 1 chain. Then make 1 chain, skip one stitch, make 1/2 double crochet in the next one stitch. Chain 1, then make 1/2 double crochet in the next one stitch after skipping one stitch. Okay, skip this stitch, make 1/2 double crochet in the next one stitch. Repeat this pattern to complete this first round. This is the last half double crochet of the first round. Make one last double crochet in this stitch, then chain 1, skip the next one stitch and find the first single crochet. Here it is. Then find the first chain. Here it is. To end this first round, make a slip stitch in the first chains. That's what I told you earlier, that the first single crochet in the first chain represents a half double crochet. Then, to make the second round, start with 3 chains. The first and the second chains represent a half double crochet, and the third chain represents a regular chain. Then skip 1 stitch and make a half double crochet in the next 1 stitch, or make a half double crochet above the previous half double crochet. Make 1 chain, skip 1 stitch, or make a half double crochet above the previous half double crochet. Make 1 chain, make 1 half double crochet above the previous half double crochet. It's very easy. Make 1 chain and repeat the action to complete the second round. This is the last part of the second round. Make 1 chain, then end it with a slip stitch. Find a second chain and make a slip stitch in the second chain. Okay, complete. To start the next round, make 3 new chains. The first and the second chain represent a half double crochet, and the third chain represent the normal chain. Then make a half double crochet above the previous half double crochet. Okay, it's not easy to crochet the jute thread. Make 1 chain, then make half double crochet above the previous half double crochet. One chain, 1 half double crochet above the previous half double crochet. Okay, this is what the pattern looks like. They are so easy to create and is suitable for all crochet level, including the beginners. Repeat this pattern until you get the height you desire. I've got the height I desire, and I will make 1 last chain and a slip stitch in the second chain. Okay, it's complete, and this is what it looks like. After completing the main pattern, I will make 1 round of single crochet. I'll start with 1 chain and I will make 1 single crochet in the next 1 stitch. Then I will fill each of the stitches with 1 single crochet, so the amount of this single crochet are 88. This is the end of this round. So to end it, I will make a back loop slip stitch above the first single crochet. Over this, I'll make a slip stitch here. Then I will make 1 more chain. This is what it looks like. After this, I will divide this tote back into 3 parts, and I'll put a stitch marker on the middle part to mark the position of its handles. You can make it like this. After that, I'll continue the work by making a back loop single crochet until I reach the first stitch marker. There are 3 stitches before the stitch marker. I will fill each of these 3 stitches with 1 back loop single crochet. Remove the stitch marker and make a back loop single crochet net. After that, I will make 100 chains to be the handle of this tote bag. You can make it 100 or longer or shorter than this, depend on you. It doesn't matter as long as it is suitable for your tote bag. After making 100 chains, I'll take off another stitch marker and make a back loop single crochet net. Another back loop single crochet in the next 1 stitch. Actually, I have made 2 handles for this beautiful tote bag. Here they are. Now, I'll continue the work by making 1 back loop single crochet in each of the next stitches. This is the beginning point. Have a look. This is the last stitch. I will make 1 back loop single crochet on this stitch, and the next one is the beginning point. I'm going to skip this stitch. This is the beginning point. I'm going to skip this stitch and I'll directly make another back loop single crochet in the next 1 stitch. Then I'll continue this work. I'll keep making 1 back loop single crochet in each of the next stitches until I reach the handle of this bag. This is the 2 last stitches before the handle. I will make 2 back loop single crochet together in these 2 stitches. Okay, to make it simple, make 1 single crochet in each of the stitches of the handles of this tote bag. Then make 1 back loop single crochet in each of the other stitches. This is for the first round. Then for the next round, make 1 back loop single crochet in every stitch until you reach the beginning point. This is the first round. For this first round, make 1 single crochet in each of the stitches of the handle of this tote bag and 1 back loop single crochet in the other stitches. Then for the second round, make 1 back loop single crochet in every stitch until you reach the beginning point. There's the beginning point. I will make 1 last slip stitch in this stitch. Then I will cut the thread. Now pull the thread to get it fastened. You can use the password needle to hide this thread inside the project. Well everyone, this is what the beautiful tote bag looks like, and I hope you like this pattern. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you again on the next video. Have a good day and happy crochet. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Have a good day.